Silver prices have hit fresh record high levels, now trading above 4,05,000 rupees per kilogram. In fact, in just the last 1 week, we have seen silver prices jump by 27%, and in 88,000 rupee of a move has happened just in the last five trading session, which means that every single trading session in this week so far, we have seen silver prices move massively, almost up to 20,000 to anywhere between 20 to 25,000 rupees as well. In fact, when we extend this and look at the last 1 month data, that will show you that silver has moved up 75% in the last 1 month. Not just that, in the last 3 months, silver prices have climbed 176%, which means that 3 months back, if you looked at silver prices, they were trading at 1,75,000 rupees. Today, it is at 4 lakh rupees odd, a fresh all-time high level. And this has created a lot of FOMO among investors. What should investors be doing? Why are silver prices soaring like crazy? Well, of course, there are geopolitical tensions that are pushing it higher, the weakness in the dollar. There is also the new age sector's demand from EV and the semiconductors. But what should you, as a retail investor, be really doing when it comes to silver prices? Should you be still jumping on the bandwagon? Most experts are now warning against it. They are saying that silver prices have run up too sharply in a very short span of time. So even if tomorrow again you see a sharp jump, do not get into this FOMO and buy silver at this point in time. Be very careful. There could be some interim corrections that could happen. Only then you should be forming long-term strategies. In fact, experts also believe that those who in fact have enjoyed a large part of the move in the last 1.5 years, this may well be in fact a time that you should be looking at least booking out partially and enjoying the gains that you have made on silver prices. Similarly for gold, even though the rally has been almost 90% in the last 1 year for gold prices, experts believe that still at this point in time, in case you have a compulsion to get into either gold or silver, it would better be that you enter into gold prices rather than silver at this stage. But remember, there could be interim corrections that we could see in the coming up periods.